Hey guys, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love. I really appreciate it. So guys, today I'm going to come to you and show you how I made my ear mask to add protein and strength to my hair. Now guys, I'm losing all my edges. Each comb I lose a chunk of hair, and trust me, I'm getting fed up. So I'm trying some ways of how I can go ahead and minimize that. So I won't be telling you guys all the details about my shedding until I find something to solve the problem or even slow it down or alleviate it somehow. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I made my mask. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And this is a clip of some of the hair that come out. Just some. I haven't detangled or anything yet, just some of the hair. So guys, I'll be making the aloe and egg ear mask, and I'll be placing the benefits of each ingredients below. So it's a coconut oil, some Jamaican black castor oil, some Mizani ear scalp oil, some aloe vera gel, mayonnaise, and an egg. So I'm going to go ahead and place all my ingredients in my smoothie blender and then mix everything together before applying it to my hair. So here I'm just blending everything together before applying the mixture. So I will be applying the mixture to freshly washed ear. So just stay tuned for that. After blending all the ingredients together, this is the consistency that I got, and I went ahead and I used 2 eggs instead of one that you see me showing in the video. I went and added the next one. So this is me with my freshly washed hair. You can see some residue in the front, but this is from what I scooped from the blender because I didn't want to waste any product, and my hair was already drying, so I went ahead add some moisture to it by just simply putting some water over it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and section it off. So I'm going to go ahead and add the mixture, working my way up to the roots, and then I'm gonna like scrunch it up so I can get the mixture all over my scalp. So I'm going to be focusing on my roots and also my edges because I'm losing them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat everything all the way around until I get every single strand, and I'm using my hands to do it. And as I said earlier, this is freshly washed hair. My ear is not dirty or anything. I'm just ensuring that I saturate it with all the mixture. I'm not wasting anything. I'm just gonna go ahead, lather my hair in it, and then put it in a bag to steam. Now I'm going to grab a shopping bag, put my hair in it tight, ensure no hair is passing through, add my towel over it so that it steams up even quicker, and then I'm going to leave it for like 45 minutes to an hour before I rinse it out. Now I'm going to go ahead, remove the towel and the bag, rinse out my hair, and I'll see you guys with my final results. Now, look at this. Look at my edges. They're really going, especially in the two sides right there in my forehead. Oh boy, can I tell you. And here you go, guys. I'm done rinsing out my hair. I'm going to be using this mixture a couple more times before I see my true results. And then our results. And then please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. And my styling video is coming soon. So I'm going to show you ways of how you can style your natural hair. This is my first time doing it. I'm never styling my natural hair other than putting it in a bun. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.